So I noticed that I got a little blue gem in here that is new. A little stealth. Now it looks stock. It is definitely not, but it is grungy as fuck. And dinged up, as you can probably tell from the spots on the thing. Definitely got different exhaust. I don't know what brand, but not a big fan of the tips. Yeah, big ass brakes. Not my favorite brand, but not gonna complain. Interior is a big pile of crap. All sorts of shit everywhere and a lot of gross shit to boot. I like to put those Recaros in this car because they kind of look the same as these and beat the shit out of the... I like the blue, but outside of that, they're gross as hell. What do you think of?